So an MDF round, something different for me. It's an MDF round was a placemat that I buy from Kmart, Australia. I've got this piece of Christmassy looking fabric, so I'm going to cut this fabric out. Saves me painting the other side, doesn't it? I'm just gonna cut it out. Not worried about this bit of paint on the bottom, because what I'm going to do is going to cover all that up. So there's a nice, that's a piece of art on its own. So I'm going to put some got some glue in there, just clear glue, and I'm going to glue it. Glue it. Glue it, glue it. On which side? Oh, that side's more glistening actually. Oh yes, baby. Doesn't matter if I haven't got it quite on there, I can trim it all up later. So I'm gonna, oh, that's really nice and sparkly. Imagine that on a great big canvas, that would be very nice. Just yabbering to myself. Yeah, that I've got some baubles, got some of these bits, and I'm gonna make a Christmassy thing. So let's pull them aside. And I think my Christmas baubles, I think I might use this bit of cork on the bottom as my base for my Christmas tree baubles. Just a bit of cork I cut out. So I'm going to put that there. One. Okay, that's how it's going to go. Right, let's see if I can hot glue gun these down. Let's start with the centre one. The hot glue gun. Happy with that. I'm just gonna leave it all to dry. I'll put a hook on the back or a thing to either hook it on the wall or a door, but I just added some crystal things to the bottom in the PVA. They look a little bit like snow around the bottom, but it is certainly blingy, isn't it? and I love it. I love it. I've got 2 burnt fingers and they're killing me. But anyway, there you go. I'll show you at the end, maybe hanging up. Bye for now. So it's all dried beautifully, and I haven't put a hook on it yet, but I'm thinking of gifting it to my daughter-in-law. So there you go.
I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our 2 outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. Wanna go out on a walk with you. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or 2. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a